Are you looking to maximize Shopify's design potential and advance your online store? In this video, we'll look at techniques for making your Shopify store design more successful by increasing traffic, sales, and success. One of the most well-known e-commerce platforms, Shopify gives owners of online stores a variety of features and customization options. When it comes to increasing traffic and sales, a Shopify design that works can make all the difference in the world. Let's now examine how you can use Shopify's design that'll generate sales to support the objectives of your company. Now, let's get you through the steps of making money. Firstly, you need a Shopify store for your business, and after that, know the process of making money with it. And then maybe you can buy a mansion with your income. Wow, that'd be a huge money! One of the most well-known e-commerce platforms, Shopify gives owners of online stores a variety of features and customization options. It can be difficult to stand out and attract the attention of potential customers, though, given the large number of stores that are currently using the platform. The solution is great design. When it comes to increasing traffic and sales, a Shopify design that works can make all the difference in the world. A well-designed store can produce a seamless user experience, develop customer trust and credibility, and ultimately increase sales. Let's now examine how you can use Shopify's design to support the objectives of your company. 1. Choose the perfect theme. The right theme selection is the first step in building a beautiful Shopify store. The foundation of your store's design and its general appearance and feel will be established by your theme. Both free and premium themes are available on Shopify, and each one comes with a unique set of features and customization options. It's crucial to keep your brand and target audience in mind when selecting a theme. Pick a topic that appeals to your target audience and is consistent with the style and values of your brand. As more and more people shop on their mobile devices, you should also look for a responsive and mobile-friendly theme. Spend some time making your theme unique to your needs after you've selected it. Everything can be changed, including navigation and layout as well as colors and fonts. Make sure the layout of your store is consistent, visually appealing, and has easy-to-use navigation so that customers can quickly find what they're looking for. 2. Improve performance speed is one of the most crucial elements in the success of your Shopify store. Frustration and abandonment can result from slow-loading pages, which will ultimately reduce your sales and revenue. There are a few crucial tactics you should think about if you want to optimize the speed of your store. Pick a theme first that is speed optimized. Themes with clean, lightweight code will typically load more quickly than those with more complex code. Additionally, you ought to reduce file sizes and optimize your images to speed up page loads. Utilizing a content delivery network is a crucial additional tactic for improving speed, CDN. The files on your website are stored on numerous servers around the globe by a CDN, which can speed up loading for users in various locations. Last but not least, think about using a caching plugin to save frequently used data and speed up page loads for returning visitors. 3. Put the user's experience first. In order to increase traffic and sales to your Shopify store, you must provide a fantastic user experience. Your store's layout should be simple to use, with easy navigation and a straightforward checkout process. Make sure your product pages have clear descriptions, high-quality images, and a clean, organized layout. Consider integrating a live chat feature to offer customer service and respond to queries in real time to improve the user experience. Additionally, you can use customer feedback and rankings to establish credibility with potential customers. Lastly, make sure that everyone, including those with disabilities, can access your store. You can accomplish this by using alt tags for images, labeling links and buttons with clear and descriptive text, and making sure that your store's design is accessible to assistive technology. 4. Make use of social proof. A potent tool for developing credibility and trust with potential customers is social proof. It alludes to the psychological phenomenon whereby people are more inclined to believe what others say and do. Your Shopify store can benefit from social proof by using it to persuade potential customers to believe in your company and make a purchase. You can incorporate social proof into the design of your store in a number of ways. through customer reviews and ratings is one of the most successful methods. Positive ratings and reviews can increase credibility and trust among prospective customers, which will ultimately increase sales. Displaying the number of customers who have bought a specific product is another useful tactic. This can engender a sense of urgency and scarcity and persuade prospective customers to buy the product before it sells out. Through social media and marketing with the help of influential people, you can also showcase your goods and generate buzz about your brand. 5. Use persuasive calls to action, CTA. CTAs, or calls to action, are an essential part of any successful Shopify design. A CTA is a prompt that urges visitors to perform a particular action, like adding an item to their shopping cart or joining your email list. The conversion rate of your store can be significantly increased, which will result in more sales. The following best practices should be taken into account when creating CTAs. Use language that is clear and concise to convey the action you want users to take. Use language that expresses the benefit of taking the action clearly, such as add to cart or buy now, instead of using ambiguous phrases like click here or learn more. Your CTAs will stand out if you use contrasting colors. Your CTA button should stand out from the rest of your store's design in terms of color so that users will notice it. Place your CTAs in conspicuous areas on the pages of your store, such as in the page's center or close to the top. This can make users more likely to notice them and act upon them. 6. Improve for mobile. Online browsing and shopping are becoming more and more popular among mobile users. It's crucial to optimize your design for mobile devices if you want to make sure that your Shopify store is usable and accessible for mobile users. Using a responsive design is one successful tactic. A responsive design modifies the page layout of your store to fit the user's device's screen size. This can ensure that your store is simple to use and navigate on any device, including desktop, tablet, and smartphone. The pages of your store should load quickly on mobile devices as well. Mobile users are frequently more impatient than desktop users, and lengthy loading times may lead them to leave your site and find one that loads more quickly. To make sure everything is operating properly, test and refine. Last but not least, it's critical to keep in mind that successful Shopify design is a continuous process of testing and iteration. Even the best designed stores can eventually be enhanced and optimized. Consider using A/B testing to make sure your store is as efficient as possible. In A/B testing, 2 versions of a page are created and tested with various user groups to see which version performs better. You can continuously enhance the functionality of your store and increase sales by testing various design features and elements. In conclusion, successful Shopify design is essential in the current e-commerce environment. You can create a store that looks great and is simple to use by using these tactics and best practices. This will enable you to increase your clientele, sales, and success. With the few steps explained in this video, you'll be able to get most of the process needed to start making money ready if followed accordingly. Kindly like and subscribe so you'll be notified when we release the next step of making money with your store. And remember to watch other videos from us. Thanks for watching.